Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I'm teacher CC. In this video I'll be guiding us on how to apply and be successful with our applications on Lingo Aid. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, if you're new to this channel, do well to subscribe and give us a thumbs up for more videos like this. So let's get into it. First, you have to apply. So I'm going to be guiding us on step by step on how to apply to Lingo Ace. Hello there. Hi Bessie. Okay, for those applying to Lingo Ace, so once you just you get to this place, go to your web browser, type Lingo Ace, type the link, then click enter. This is where it takes you to. It will automatically bring you here. You click on login here, login. Then this is your email and your password. That's for those working with Lingo Ace already, or those who have applied before. But if you haven't applied to Lingo Ace before, just go to this, click on sign up here above, sign up. Okay, so once you get to this place, once you click on sign up, this is where it takes you to. You enter your email, choose a password. So you just choose your own password. Once you click on choose a password, this is what it gives you. Just click on choose your own password. Then let me input my own password. T okay. I'm not thinking remember me. Though if you want the system to always remember your details, you can just click on remember me. But if you don't want that, just proceed. Where where do you hear about us? Where do you hear about us? You go there. Please, you can use the referral. Use the referral. So you can just choose anywhere, but I'll advise you use the referral. Click on referral. You can use this email. The email is there. You will see the email on the description. In the description. So I added it to the description. So just check for the email. Then you click on get started. Okay, so it's created. You can save. You can choose to save. You can choose not to save. Okay. Okay, let me not save. Never. So you come to this place, you enter your name. You enter your name, just look for a name. I'm not applying, so I'll just have to choose a name. Chi. Okay, let's use Clara Nelson. Nationality. So you come here and choose nationality. South Africa. So yeah, don't forget these are basic info. So when you look at this, please in basic info, certification, okay, education, your video, and you submit. Submit, that's the last thing to do. So we are in the basic information. So how many years of English teaching? Your years of experience. So just put the years of experience. What language do you speak? I'll choose English. So if you speak any other language, you can add it. So I'm adding the two languages. Yeah, save. You save and continue. Okay, so this is the certification. Do you have a teaching certificate? If so, describe them to enhance your profile, credibility, and get more students. Certificates, TESOL. You can also add another one here, TEFL. So if you have another one, you can also add. Then you save and continue. Okay, this is education. Tell students more about the higher education that you've completed or are working on. If you don't have a bachelor's degree, just click on this place. Same with the certification, the teaching certification. If you don't have, just click I don't have. But since I have, I'll just choose here. I have a bachelor's degree. Institution. Mm, just choose one. Let's say Oxford University. Major, what did you study? Did you study banking and finance? Did you study accountancy? Did you study English? So let me just choose English. Put the course you studied, then save. Don't forget. Then save and continue. So it takes you to this place now. We're in the video. So it's going to tell you, please take your time to read. Record a demo video where you pretend to teach a young student in Lingo Ace classroom using the slides provided. The slides, they are just 4 slides and it's Power Up. So you mustn't know how to use Power Up, just know how to teach, okay? So for tips on effective teaching and maximizing your success in this task, click here. So when you click this place, when you click here, to take you to show you how to teach, okay, how you're going to handle your class. Once you click on this place, it's very simple. Also, I've made a video on the demo, how to be successful, how to pass the demo, okay, how to pass your video. You can check, you can check, look out for the video I made on how to teach, how to pass, how to do your demo video on Lingo Ace and pass. So you can also click here to see a guide, a video on what to do. So focus on these key aspects to boost your first time pass chances. Thorough physical response, that's TPL, teaching background, appropriate teacher, output. Okay, so you need to dress well. You need a good background. Please, there's a background in the classroom. If you don't have at least a good decorated background for kids, that is kids friendly. If you don't have that, there's a background in the classroom. You can change the background. Okay, you can change the background. So just use lots of CPR, make it lively. Okay, feel free to practice the slides and explore the features in the classroom. The classroom function will be activated after you click the start button. Once you have completed your practice session, click on the end button. Practice as many times as needed to feel confident and prepared, okay? To record your demo video, re-enter the classroom. Click the Start Class button to begin recording your demo. Once you finish teaching, please click the End Class button. The system will generate your demo playback only after you click End Class. The system currently doesn't allow you to review the playback video. Your last recording will serve as a final submission. To submit your demo video, return to the page after ending the class and click on Submit Demo Video button below to finalize your demo. So yeah, after the demo, just once you're here, once you click on the classroom, it takes you to another browser. So once you're done with your demo, you can come back here. Just come back to this browser and click on submit. That's if you're okay with what you've done. Okay, so let's go into the class. Let's see how the class is. So you click on enter classroom. Once you click on enter classroom, see it has taken you a new browser. Sorry, a new browser. So allow while visiting the site. Just be patient. It's time for class. Please click start button. Please, you don't need to click on the start button. You don't need to click on it. Okay? You don't need to click on it. So you see something here, the X, the tiny X button. If you don't see it, please click on escape. Look at your keyboard and click. So let's explore. Please take your time. So before we explore, please what you do when you're here. If you have a plain background, you don't have a kids friendly background. So just go here, go to this setting here, virtual background. Just choose anyone. Yeah, it's loading. You want, then apply. It's loading. Yeah, so this is it. It's okay, you can use this. Then you explore. Please ensure to explore. Okay, so this is the book, the textbook. Display it. Then here, okay, so you just have to explore, go through it. You see, this is a textbook, this is a chair, it's ready. Click on this place. Once you click here, it brings out the chair. So please hide. You can click on this place to hide this right up. This is just a guide. You can also look at it as a guide. So once you click on it, say chair. Okay, chair. Then you click here to remove it. You click on the chair, it disappears. Then you see this question mark. Click on it. The question will appear. You ask the child, what color is the chair? Okay, we can ask the child, what color is your chair? Just explore. The same thing here. You click on this place. Bag. You click on the bag, it disappears. You see a question mark. Click on it. What color is the bag? The child. So just go through it. I think there are just 4. Then at the end, you have 3 questions to pick one from. So you pick one and give a genuine answer. The response from your mind, from your heart. Okay. So I think that's that. When you're done and you look at yourself and think and tell yourself, okay, yeah, I've done well. I did well. Then you can just go back. Once you've checked everything is okay, your answer okay, you have 60 to 90 minutes to give your response, to give your answer to this question. And the demo, the main demo here shouldn't last more than 5 minutes. Okay, it shouldn't last more than 5 minutes. Okay, I think that's that for application process. So I made a video on how to do your demo. Please look out for the video. So yeah, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to get more videos like this from us. Okay, see you next time. So what I was saying, you have to go back to this place and click on submit. Okay, when you're done and yeah, everything is okay, then click on submit demo. It automatically submit, and that's it. You wait for a feedback from the company. And please don't forget to watch out for the video on how to successfully pass Oxinity interview. Okay, also if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Okay, I hope to see you in our next video. Until then, bye.